This weight gain drink, I made it with unique ingredient that you've never find on YouTube. Hello dearies, welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, this is HBM Organic Beauty, and if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Come on, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So today, guess what I'm drinking? Okay, this is my weight gain drink. Okay, this weight gain drink, I made it with unique ingredient that you've never find on YouTube. So if you know you want to learn how to make your weight gain drink, it's almost finished because it's so yummy, like very sweet. Okay, so if you want to learn how to make this weight gain drink, just watch this video to the end and like and share my video. So this weight drink is going to help you gather fat, add weight at the right places, like your backside, your front side, your thighs, your hips. If you're having tiny laps, it's going to help you gain weight at the right places. So just make this drink yourself, take it morning and night. From 1 week you're gonna see a tremendous result. Okay, so let's just dive straight into the video and let me show you the unique ingredient I use in making this drink, and let me show you how to make this drink. It's just so simple, so let's just do this. The number one ingredient on our recipe is our bananas. I have bananas here. So I'm using this ripe one. So I'm going to open this. This is actually a smoothie blender. Okay, I use this to blend fruits for my kids, and I'm going to be using it to make this weight gain drink. Okay, so I'm adding my banana. I'm actually using the ripe one. This one is very ripe. Okay, so I'm adding my banana. So that's my banana. So next I'll be adding in my soybeans powder. This is my soybeans powder. Some people call it soya beans powder. So I'm adding 1 spoon of my soybeans powder into here. Okay, so here I have my dates powder. So this is date powder. Okay, so you can actually get a date powder, or you add in your dates, the date nut itself, but you have to remove the seed inside the date nut. But this is the powder, so I'm using the powder instead of the dates itself. 1 tablespoon of my date powder. Another important ingredient I'm using here, can you see the name of this? This is actually called Whey Protein. This is a protein powder I got for myself. Okay, so this is actually called Whey Protein. Okay, this is a protein powder. It is Whey Protein. So I'm using this for this recipe because you know you're trying to gather fat, you're trying to gain weight at the right places, not just anyhow place. So I'm adding in my Whey Protein powder. So next I'm going to add in my milk. So I'm using a full cream milk. You can use a Greek yogurt. Okay, Greek yogurt, sweetened Greek yogurt. We have unsweetened, we have sweetened Greek yogurt. Just make sure you're using yogurt that has enough fat. We have yogurts that are not meant to make you fat, and we have the one that's accumulated, that can help accumulate fats. Okay, this is actually full cream peak milk. So I'll be adding this milk into my drink. Then I'll cover this. So can you see how this actually looks? So I'm going to pour it out. Like, I can't wait to taste this. I'm going to pour my drink into my cup. Can you see how the drink look? Like, it's looking very yummy. So this is the final result. This is how the drink turns out to be. This is what I got. This is my weight gain smoothie, my weight gain drink. Okay, so let me just give this a taste. Like, on your back side, your front side, your hips, your thighs, you know, those places that you need to gather enough fat so that you're going to have a figure 8. That is where this drink is going to work on, help you build fat at those areas that they are needed. So if you like this kind of content, and if you want more of this kind of content, of course, I'm gonna be giving you more, like recipes that are baddest, even more than this one. Recipes that when you try, from 1 week you're gonna see results. So make this and just finish it at a go. Okay, if you want to be taking this morning, night, you can just make enough that you can take in the morning, then you keep the remaining one in the fridge and take it at night. Okay, but it's something you can just make quickly. You just make sure you have your banana on ground. You get the whey protein powder. You need the whey protein powder. You need it. The protein powder is very, very important. Get the soya beans powder, get the dates, then you get milk or you get yogurt. Okay, so make this drink anytime you need it. You can just leave this drink for 24 hours in the fridge. Okay, so leaving the drink 24 hours in the fridge means you have to take it morning and night, and I advise take it morning and night so that you're able to see good results. Coupled with this drink, I would advise you should do a DIY on any of the butt and hips enlargement oil I have done on this channel. So as you're taking this and it's helping you build those fats from inside where they are needed, the oil also will be helping you to enlarge the outward part of your body. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. This smoothie blender is going to help you a whole lot, so just get this blender. It's not too expensive, so that anytime you want to make this drink, you can easily make your drink. It makes it very quick. In fact, you can even drink it. You can drink from the blender straight. Yeah, if it's yours, it's your personal blender, so you can just drink straight from your blender. And this does not actually need electricity, because you can just charge. Once it's charged, it works on its own. You can see it's on. It works on its own. Yeah, the blender is on now. So just try and get a blender like this, and make your smoothie anytime you want it. Okay, so if you really enjoy this content, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, bye.